Are you somebody who's looking to build a second area of income? Are you somebody who's looking to change your profession altogether? Are you someone who's struggling with your finances right now? Or you are somebody who's really looking to have a big and wide ambitious dream? Hi, I am Kanwa Upadhyay. I am an entrepreneur for over 16 years now, and I have helped lots and lots of people develop their financial stability, develop a second source of income. I want to invite you for a very special workshop that I'm conducting in the next 2 or 3 days, okay, which is called the Business Opportunity Workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to discuss about some latest trends that are growing in the market today, some trends that will help boost your economy, your personal finances, and this is going to be absolutely amazing. This is going to be a live webinar, and this is called the Business Opportunity Workshop. So I invite you on this entrepreneurial journey with me, and by the end of the workshop, I'm going to introduce you to an opportunity that has changed my life forever, my financial future forever, and even you can do the same if you decide to get started that day. And don't worry about the lakhs of investment that goes into starting your own business, because the opportunity I'm going to show you will not cost you more than one large pizza. Okay, so I will see all of you in the Business Opportunity Workshop.